Ready to turn your hair loss story into a comeback story? At Bellus Clinic in Istanbul, we're not just restoring hair, we're restoring confidence. With the world's best hair transplant techniques, we've helped thousands from around the globe reclaim their look and their life. Picture this, a team of top-notch specialists dedicated to you every step of the way. From your first consultation to the final result, we've got you covered. No more hiding under hats or avoiding the mirror. Our advanced procedures are designed to be as comfortable and effective as possible, ensuring a natural-looking result that blends seamlessly with your existing hair. And the best part, you won't just see the difference, you'll feel it. Bellus Clinic isn't just about hair, it's about you. It's about stepping out into the world with a renewed sense of self and a confidence that radiates from within. So why wait? Join the thousands who've already taken the leap and experience the Bellus difference. Because at Bellus Clinic, we know that when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, the world is yours. Bellus Clinic in Istanbul, where your new chapter begins. Ready to see the best version of you? Let's make it happen. Your confidence, your hair, your Bellus Clinic.